Okay, let's come over and look at CL next. Let's do what do I want here? So I'm just going to go with the 15-minute chart. Off the low the other day, we got this 5 up to here for a 1. We've come down deep this morning as an A, B, C, right into that 887 retrace at 66.01. Gave you a lovely opportunity to go long this morning. Huge divergences between the A and the C wave. If you've done that, stops at that low now, and we're developing, as say, a leading diagonal for the 1 of this one up. This is the path that we need to see. So I'm looking for 67.66 at the 618 extension. So that's the length of this one projected off this morning's low for all of a larger one, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, so on and so forth, all the way up to our targets on the assumption that the primary count is correct. If we take out 65.71, then do not start attempting longs anymore. We need to reassess the larger count, and it could be that we're getting a deeper wave 4, which targets all the way down at 61. So we do not want to be outstaying any welcome on long side. I really think this morning's low, to be honest, needs to hold here for this count to remain valid. But thus far, if you got long at the low, just put your stops there. You may want to have taken half off. It's given you certainly more than the 20 points off the entry. ABC 1, 2, ABC 3, right into the 123.6. We need the 4 to hold 66.26 to 66.20, and then come up here 66.64, 66.68, then a 2. So if you didn't get long here, I would wait for this to play out in the diagonal and wait for the next retrace, and then go long for the 3rd today would be the sensible option from here. Okay, let's look at GC now. NG. Ideally, I'm still looking for that last push up, and the only pattern to it here now off this low is a 1, 2, 3. We've come very deep in this diagonal, almost to the 887 at 29.28. If this takes out 29.22, this diagonal invalidates. We would need to take out this 4 to confirm a top, because otherwise we have an ABC for a 1, and then this is a deeper 2. So ideally we still get that ABC pattern for a 5th up to 3012, but I'm starting to lose patience with that idea. If we get a 4-5 down here in a leading diagonal form, then I'm going to short the retrace of that in NG with DGAS. I haven't got a short position in futures. I think some of you probably have. If you have, then your stop now needs to be at 29.60 in the futures trades on NG. And then you can see this morning we've come down below the blue line, which I was rather hoping it wouldn't. So I'm looking for it to push back up immediately if we're still going to see that 3.012 area in NG now.